And now welcome to Guesto's Chef's Kitchen.
नवीन दीस, नवीन एपिसोड आणि नवीन रेसिपी ही आमकां दाखोवपा खातीर आमच्या बरोबर आसा नवीन शेफ ना आमचो शेफ जोशी. वेलकम.
Thank you very much.
न्यू डिश.
New dish, it is not a new to everyone, but it is still the way of cooking of the dish is different. Regularly, when on the every day every time when you cook the okra, that is your own style, the home style way. Okay, but now we are cooking the okra with the Rajasthan style. Okay.
Wow.
For that, as you see, there is cut of the head and the tail. I have already cut both the things, and I gave the slit with the bindi. Okay, which we are gonna stuff the stuffing
Masala.
inside. Yeah, masala.
Okay.
For that, you require the gram flour, coriander powder, cumin powder, some green chili paste, ginger garlic paste. Okay, some turmeric and little bit of red chili powder, some garam masala, and this amchur powder. To get little bit of to make the tender okra. It is okra is very fresh and tender, but still you need to have that tanginess in the masala, which helps the reducing the spiciness and things.
Okay.
For that.
And what is
This
this?
is
chef?
onion seeds. We are going to use the tempering with that.
Okay. It is
Then
easily available in the
easily
market?
available in the market. Easily available in the market. And salt for the seasoning.
ओके अविनाश हे जे शेफान मसाले दवरल्या न्ही ऑन डिस्प्ले शे तांचो सगळो मिक्स जावन वास एकदम बरो येवपाक लागला. सो आय थिंक वी शुड प्रोसीड.
जितकी फास्ट करी तितकी आमकां टेस्ट
तितली आमकां बरी जातली.
स्टार्ट.
Yes, why not? Okay, first we'll do the stuffing mixture and we'll do the stuffing with the bindi.
ओके.
Okay. You have taken half cup, right?
Yes, half cup. Some coriander powder, some jeera powder, little haldi, little red chili, very less. Add some ginger garlic paste, little of green chili.
અને એટલે સ્પાઇસી કિतना चाहिए उतना डालना.
हाँ, उसके हिसाब से.
उसके हिसाब से.
If somebody likes to have the very spicy and hot and everything, when you eat it, you will the eyes and ears will start sweating it. That way you want it, that also you can adjust it. Somebody don't like the spiciness, you add just for the color, little to get that feeling that you have add something.
अविनाश म्हाका जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट म्हाका दिसता सगळ्या किचनान आतां आसतातूच आसता.
पण ती आता मग अशी म्हणजे रेग्युलर घरातल्या किचनात यूज करतात.
यूज करपाक जाय.
म्हणजे ताज्याशिवाय मग फूड आपली तयार जायना अशी दिसता.
Little bit of, I'll put pinch of amchur powder. And we don't have to, I'm not gonna add any water in this to bind all the things.
Okay.
I'll put some oil in it.
अविनाश ह्या फावट आमच्या विवरांची एकदम मजा आसा. गोंयांत बसून बसून दे कॅन टेस्ट राजस्थानी फूड.
Generally in the Gujarat or Maharashtra, the bindi masala, they just do cut it in the small cube pieces and they saute with the onion, tomato masala and all. That's it. This is the another way to get the bindi masala. This is the stuffed one. Now we'll do the stuffing with the bindi.
I think chef here you have to be very careful when you are stuffing it because you have given a very mild slit for the bindi.
While you are giving the slit, no, there is one technique you have to follow, that the knife should not touch to the bottom of the okra. Okay, it can be penetrate the other side also of the okra. That you have to take care of it. As soon as you feel it, you keep it aside. Can you see there is only halfway I went to, not the other side. I have not even touched to the other side. Right?
सो तुम्ही जेन्ना ही भेंडी मसाला घरा करता बी व्हेरी केअरफुल देन डोंट कंप्लेन की आपले स्टफिंग वचत ना म्हणून भितर.
You always keep some distance from the top and some different distance from the bottom. Otherwise, when you put it in the tadka, the stuffing both the sides can be, because of the heat, can be torn off.
Don't know.
Okay, so it is again one reason to come out your masala. Okay, now we are ready with the stuffing. Okay, now we start with the cooking of the things.
Okay.
We'll put some oil.
ये नॉर्मली किसके साथ खाते हैं भेंडी मसाला?
They generally have it with the ज्वार का रोटी or गेहूं का चपाती. That's it. Some onion seeds. Okay, it will crackle very slowly.
अविनाश, म्हाका जी गोंयकारान जर ती आमची नॉर्मल भेंड्याची भाजी जर खावन वाज येला आसत जाल्यार दीस सारको चटपटीत एक तुमकां बरो ऑप्शन आसा.
Some ginger garlic paste.
आपने स्टफिंग में भी ऐड किया था जिंजर गार्लिक.
Some green chili paste. Little turmeric.
इसमें आपने सॉल्ट नहीं डाला है ना?
नहीं. Little red chili powder.
जितली जिंजर गार्लिक फ्राय जाता तितलो तिचो वासूय बरो येता एकदम.
म्हाका दिसता ही कशी झणझणीतशी डिश आसतली.
Little of coriander. Little more than the coriander powder, you add the jeera powder.
अभी आपने इसमें स्टफिंग जो किया है ना इसके अंदर, वो जो मसाले ले वही मसाला आपने इधर यूज किया है नॉर्मल में. दोनों में मसाला सेम है सब.
Now you see the masala is cooked. Okay.
एकदम झणझणीत बरो वास येवपाक लागला.
आणि ताका कलरूय एकदम टेम्पटिंग येता.
Now you add the bindis in it. Little of salt from the top. And some water.
अभी कितना टाइम उसको पकाने का?
आई थिंक भिंडी जल्दी कुक.
भिंडी तो कुक हो जाएगी. 5-10 मिनट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा.
Some people deep fry the bhendi also for bhendi masala. They do. Then how it is done? Just salt डाल के फ्राई करते.
थोड़ा सा सॉल्ट डालो. अच्छा वॉश कर लो पहले. बाद में उसको कट करके थोड़ा सा सॉल्ट डाल के उसको मिक्स करो. It will start absorbing the water, salt, and then you fry it.
नॉर्मली जो रेस्टोरेंट में भिंडी मसाला मिलता है ना, उसका रेसिपी यही रहता है या थोड़ा अलग सा रहता है उनका?
As per the chef, as per the chef, how he wants to be. Okay, because in the restaurant they are become very busy schedule.
Yeah.
They don't have only the table to serve.
So yeah, that's true.
So they have so many customers. If they order 3-4 customers when one time they order it, and that is too in the different timings. So they will not wait. The first customer who has ordered it, they will not wait for the last one also get it at the same time.
Okay.
So there is the variations of the recipe. The way she told that
deep fry.
Yeah, deep frying it, and the masala they do keep it in the refrigerator. They take it out, do the tempering, then put the deep fried this thing, and serve it.
Okay. पण म्हाका दिसता बेसिकली रेस्टोरंटान हे अशी रेसिपी मेळटा अशें
म्हाका तितली आयडिया ना. बिकॉज हांवें खाल्या हॉटेलान, बट इट इज लायक नॉट स्टफ्ड. दॅट वॉट आय आस्क्ड शेफ. इट इज लायक डीप फ्रायड एंड then the masala is added.
Even though these okra also you can deep fry it. You coat it stuff it nicely, put in the deep fry fryer, and same thing you can start saute it with the masala. Okay.
ते सगळ्यांची वेगवेगळी स्टाईल असतात.
हय म्हाका दिसता अविनाश सांच्यानी ती चण्याची हे घाल्या पिठी घाल्या त्याच्या खातीर ताका बरो बायंडींग सबस्टन्स एक मेळिल्लो आसा.
आणि त्याका बाबा थिकनेसूय बरो येतो.
You can see there is nice flavors coming out. Okay.
और भिंडी का कलर भी चेंज हुआ है.
हाँ, color भी change हुआ है according to the masalas and all. I'll just taste whether salt is okay or not. Required some salt. Okay. Then the stuffing which is remain, I'm gonna put it inside. Okay, which can give you the more flavor as well as your binding agent also. It can be. Our Pindi masala is done with the Rajasthani style. Okay, we'll do the presentation of this. I am gonna switch off the range. Gram masala is ready. Ladyfinger masala.
अविनाश पोवपाक एकदम टेस्टी आनी एकदम माउथ वॉटरिंगशें दिसता.
अदोळच्यान म्हाका अशें दिसतालें की नाही बेगीन रेसिपी जाता आनी हांव खाता अशें जाल्लें म्हाका अदोळच्यान पळोवन.
ओके.
तो स्मेलूय इतलो बरो येतालो सगळे ते गरम मसाला आनी हे आहा.
So this was our yet another journey in search of good food and only good food.
ह्या एपिसोडान आमी ज्यो तुमकां डिशीज दाखयल्यो ताची टेस्ट आमी घेवन पळयली. तुमी घरा कडेन त्यो तयार करून पळयल्यो आसतल्योच. पूण एक काम करात, तुमच्या एरियेन अशे कांय फूड जॉयंट्स आसात आनी तांची कितें तरी स्पेशालिटी आसात जाल्यार आमकां कळया.
You can contact us at features@prudentmedia.in.
आता तुमकां सगळ्यांक बाय बाय.
हो एपिसोड जर चुकला आसत you can log into www.prudentmedia.in.
आणि एक काम करात, दर शुक्रारा सांजे 7:30 वरांचेर, 9:30 वरांचेर आणि 11:30 वरांचेर बायट इट प्रोग्राम मात्र पळोवपाक विसरो नाकात.
Keep watching
Prudent.
Prudent.